In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create AI-powered designs in Canva with Magic Design. First, open Canva and log in so you're working in your own account. From the home page, click Create a Design and choose a blank page. This gives you a clean slate, perfect for testing ideas without distractions. You'll see an empty canvas with the familiar Canva toolbar around it, and that's where the fun begins. Next, click Magic Design. This is Canva's AI assistant for layout and style ideas. You can either type a prompt or upload an image to guide the results. If you type a prompt, be clear and specific about what you want. Mention the type of project, the mood or style, and any key phrases you want in the design. If you upload an image, use something that represents your brand or the vibe you're going for, like a product photo or a background texture. Both options help the AI understand your direction. Press Enter, and give Canva a moment to generate design variations. You'll see multiple layouts, each with different fonts, colors, and compositions based on your prompt or image. Think of this as your creative starting lineup. Scroll through and look for a design that matches your message and feels balanced at a glance. Select the design you like, and then fine-tune it to make it yours. Edit the text to match your copy and keep it concise for readability. Adjust colors to align with your brand or the mood you want. High contrast helps with legibility, especially on small screens. Try pairing a bold headline font with a clean body font for a professional look. You can swap out elements, resize graphics, or reposition items to improve spacing. If something feels cluttered, give it breathing room. White space is your friend. Take a moment to review alignment and consistency so the final result looks polished. When you're happy with the design, click Share, then Download. Choose the format that fits your use case. PNG is great for crisp graphics and transparent backgrounds. JPG works well for photos and smaller file sizes. And PDF is ideal for documents or print-ready files. Confirm your settings, then download and save your design where you can find it easily. And that's it. You opened a blank design, used Magic Design to generate options, customized your favorite version, and exported it in the right format. With this workflow, you can go from idea to finished visuals in minutes, all inside Canva.